Games and Simulations in Education by Melody Whitley. In this modern world of technology, the idea of using games and simulations in education is becoming increasingly accepted. Computers enable technologists to create scenarios where learners are given tasks in simulated environments that embody the kinds of knowledge and skills the learners will need in the real world. These tools have the potential to reshape learning through interactive simulations, question management, systems by combining automated and human response, and powerful continuous assessments. In combination with traditional educational practices, games and simulations could become powerful teaching tools and ways to make differentiation possible on many levels in the classroom. Students can learn through simulations as they allow players to practice risky behaviors with limited real-world consequences. Through simulations, learners can practice a variety of skills, as they may have to diagnose a disease, troubleshoot a malfunctioning circuit, or put together a television news program without ever leaving the classroom. One such simulation, built by Roger Schenck and his colleagues, teaches genetics by having learners try to determine whether couples are more likely to have children with a genetic disease. Learners must run tests to determine the parents' genetic makeup, and are able to act as a real physician by advising the couple based on their found results. Learners may solve an environmental problem or put together a news broadcast about a historical event. These types of simulations make it possible to embed cognitive skills and knowledge in the actual kinds of context where they will be used. Ian Bogost, an assistant professor of digital media at the Georgia Institute of Technology and the author of Unit Operations, An Approach to Video Game Criticism, says, if you want to explain how a nuclear power plant works in a textbook, you have to demonstrate it with a logical written argument, but with games, the player can literally interact with a model of how a system works. Enthusiasts argue that simulations are necessary in this day to prepare students to interact successfully in a global world. Simulations allow learners to explore new situations and to be creative. Learners can try out different courses of action and see the consequences of their actions immediately. Problem-solving techniques, a key component of education today, are enhanced by simulations as students can ask what-if questions and explore different possible solutions to real-life problems. In combination with traditional educational practices, games and simulations could become powerful teaching tools and ultimately enhance the learning environment immensely for learners at various levels. Educators could be using these valuable teaching tools to enable students to explore, problem solve, and learn at levels, reaching high above standard expectations, ultimately providing excellent education opportunities for students.